Here's a nice new feature in Edge browser. Gestures. I'm just moving the mouse. Now I press the right mouse button and drag. And depending on how I drag, it's called a gesture. So this is go back gesture. If I want to scroll to the bottom, I do like this. There are 16 gestures to choose from. So how do you get gestures? Go to 3 dots and settings. If you really want to know their location, go to appearance and scroll down, but it's much easier to type and search for them. By default, these are off. So first step is to enable them. So these are the 16 gestures and each one of them has a drop down. This drop down shows you the actions. There are 21 actions. So you can map a gesture to any action you want. So here I am on a site which is showing me the index. This refreshes very fast. So if I drag, right now it's a forward gesture, but then I drag it down, it understands the pattern and now it will refresh. So look at this page. Look at the scroll bar. If I start scrolling one at a time, or even if I have a mouse wheel, it's going to take me a long time to reach bottom. So this is the way to do it. Scroll to bottom. And reverse of that means down and then up. That's scroll to top. Once you enable it, you will see these two buttons, show mouse track and show action hint. When I start trying a gesture, it'll actually draw my path so you can know what you're doing. And then while you're doing the gesture, it is trying to interpret it. If it understands what you're trying to do, it will tell you the action it is going to do. That's the hint. So if I just say up, that is scroll up. If that is what you wanted, go ahead with it. Now the problem is, how do you cancel it? Just move the mouse. It becomes an invalid gesture, or press the escape key. On touchpad, it is not going to work as expected because touchpads have their own gestures. Other browsers don't have anything equivalent of this unless you put some extensions. So try this out and let me know if you like it.